Hey everybody, this is Norbert with Rivera Real Estate Group, and I'm coming to you today with some really exciting news about some things that's happening in the market. And I really think it's so important to share this because we're seeing things happen very quickly. And so this is not something I want to let wait till the end of the month because it could go by and a lot of people could be affected if they don't jump on this quickly. So over the last couple of days, actually since October 19th, we've seen the interest rates that they peaked up at 8.03. Well, ever since then, they've been steadily trickling down. Over the last couple of days, the Fed has come out with their meeting minutes, and it looks as though, according to if everything goes well, we are expecting about 3 cuts within the rate in 2024. So I guess the biggest question is, what does that mean for real estate and mortgage rates? So one of the biggest misconceptions is that the interest rate that the Fed cuts is going to be affecting the 30-year mortgage. So while it can and there is a small correlation, a direct cut from the Fed does not directly correlate to the 30-year mortgage. However, what's happened in this time is that with those 3 cuts that they've indicated, it has caused the bond market to really be at a point now where people are feeling comfortable. As of last night, I did a video and the interest rate was 7.2%. This morning, I woke up, took a look at it again. We were at 6.8%, like 6.82%. I just looked at it about 5 minutes ago, and the 30-year has gone down to 6.62%. And that is actually going to be on a conventional. So if you're going to go with a FHA loan, you're going to be around 6.12. Now, remember, all this changes depending on your credit scores, things like that. So you really want to talk to your mortgage professional to make sure you get all the right information that's going to be impacting you. But here's why it's so important. If you've been looking to buy a home, even for sellers, because if you sell your home, you've got to get onto the next property and now you're going to have to purchase. So if you're looking to purchase a home, this is going to be so important to you because you may have been waiting. Here's what I tell my buyers. In 2021, home prices got a little crazy out there. We saw a lot of homes being overbid. People came in $20,000, $30,000, $50,000 over list price. In 2022, as soon as people started getting ready to buy, interest rates started going back up. And now that was a double whammy, right? So now all of a sudden the prices skyrocketed so much. And then on top of that, you get hit with the interest rates. Well, 23 has not changed. Those interest rates continue to go up. And as I mentioned, October 19th was the peak of that at 8.03%. We're on our downward trend. And as long as the Fed continues doing what they said they're going to do, which is going to be a couple more cuts coming down, we expect to see those numbers go down. I would expect to see that in the low 6s by the end of this year, early next year, will be in the, about 6.25 is what I would expect. Now, I am pulling a lot of this information from different economists from all around the country, and these are big economists that are testifying in front of Congress, that are actually with big companies who they just data mine this. They go through this whole list and make sure they're getting us the most important data. So I want to share that with you because that is something that we're seeing a consensus on. There's a lot of things happening in the home market, and homes are while inventory has been going up, we're still at an incredible low. So if all these buyers that have been waiting for years to come in and buy, if they start getting right back into the market, that's going to create another vacuum where there's very few homes out there. So demand's going to go up, and that means prices are going to go up here. There's a couple things that we need to do now if you're considering buying, and that's we really need to take a look and see the ability to refinance in the future. So come in, you want to lock in this price before they jump up, another $15,000, $20,000, $30,000. Lock in the price, we can always refinance in the future. If you're looking to purchase a brand new home, what's going to start happening as we see the market continue to go up? What's going to happen is that these builders are going to start pulling back a little bit on incentives. They may not be given as much as what they're given now. And remember, there's always the ability to refinance. So I always say, marry the price, divorce the rate, right? So we can always play around with these things to make sure we can get you into a home. There's always ways we can talk about this and how to make it work mathematically for you. But it all starts with that conversation. Give us a call. Rivera Real Estate Group, 832-598-6825. You can also reach us at Rivera Real Estate Group. That's grp.com. We're here to help you out. Just if you have any questions about the market, what's happening as far as homes going, inventory levels, pricing, let us know. We're here to help you out. One little key factor, I want to make sure I add this in before we end the video. Even while the interest rate was going up, even when it was at 8%, prices did not drop in the area that we're servicing, which is in the West Houston area. Now, every single home is a little different, but as a whole, prices did not drop. So what does that tell you? What it should tell you is that as soon as these interest rates start going down, prices are going to continue to rise at a quicker pace. So let's make sure we do the right thing for you. Let's make sure we get you talking to the right people, to the right professionals who are going to be able to get in and go over your finances. Make sure that you're set and prepared to make that purchase. We'll help you out with your home search. We can help you out sell your home if you need to sell before you buy. We're here to help everybody. Take care. We love helping you out. Let us know what we can do.